South African park, a girl and her family were frightened beyond their wildest imagination when a curious lion did the unthinkable. The clip begins when the family of tourists pulls up close to a pride of lions and their daughter begins to record. At some point, one of the more curious lions approaches their car and even starts fiddling with it when things start getting rather unsafe. Out of panic, the man at the wheel immediately tries driving away, but the pride of lions unfortunately refuses to let them go.